Namaste. Welcome to Elephant Pass Ayurveda and Yoga Retreat. I am Dr. Archana Raj.
And I am Dr. Jemima Thomas, and we are very happy to have you join us today.
Today, we are honored to have two wonderful guests with us, Mr. Vijay Raghavan sir and Mrs. Anuradha ma'am.
Hello, hello doctors. We are me and my wife Anu. I'm Vijay. We are here for about 7 days Ayurveda uh, therapy. Though we wanted to do this always, we are not sure as to what exactly will happen and what are the things that will be done and how it helps our body. So we have few questions to ask you. Is it okay if we ask a few questions so that we understand what is going to happen in the next 7 days?
Yes, you can. So, we are also very happy to answer your questions. Okay, fine. So, actually, we can start our discussion section.
Since I have sleep issues, I just want to know if these Ayurvedic treatments and therapies will help relieve my stress and give me better sleep. Ayurveda therapies help release the body and calm the mind naturally. Treatments like oil massages, shirodhara, steam therapy, yoga, meditation, and help reduces the stress and improve the sleep quality.
What kind of therapies you will give us in these 7 days?
Based on each person's condition, therapies may include full body oil massage, steam therapy, shirodhara, kili, and detox therapies, yoga, and meditation.
You were mentioning about whole body massage and steam therapy, right? Why is that necessary to give a steam therapy after the whole body massage? I just want to know about that also. Why is it like that? That steam therapy after oil massages helps the body absorb the medicated oils better, so it could improve the circulation, relaxes the muscles, open your body channels, and support detoxification through sweating.
We hear and read about detoxification. By doing this Ayurveda for 7 days, will the just doing massages and other things, will the detoxification happens? And in fact, what exactly is detoxification?
It is a common word actually, the detoxification, which means something to be removed from our body, like the toxins accumulated in your body that we are removing through some therapies. Actually, it helps improve the digestion, metabolism, circulation, energy level, immunity, and overall well being. That's why we call it as detoxification.
After these therapies are over, when we return back home, can we continue with some of the suggestions you have given us? Is it possible? Yeah, it's we advise maintaining the healthy food habits, proper sleep, regular hydration.
And also, along with this, all together, what doctor said, also include daily exercises actually, like light yoga asanas you should do properly. If you get the time of around 15 minutes or around 30 minutes, you should do some yoga postures, light exercises, stretching habits. You
Yeah,
should
you
follow.
also they should avoid junk foods, and they should follow a healthy lifestyle pattern.
Yoga helps in this 7 day therapy.
What is the main concept of doing this yoga as a exercise for the morning section 1 hour and the evening as a 1 hour meditation, because your body is actually tired even during the treatments. To relax that, we include some light yoga postures and also the meditation section. And these yoga postures actually improves your flexibility, because we are doing the yoga postures like a flexibility improving type of yoga asanas, like stretching exercise we include, and do some yoga postures that is good for to maintain your postures actually.
Yeah, Ayurveda therapies, external application like Ayurveda therapies and this yoga section, both combining, you can get a good result. Doctor, how long does it take to notice any improvement in my health and sleep pattern? Okay, some people feel relaxed and sleep better within few days. Deeper improvements in health, stress, and energy. It may take a few weeks, depend on the health condition and your lifestyle.
Yeah.
Now we have come for this 7 day therapy, and you're going to give us a schedule or few things to be done. How long will this effect last?
The results can also last longer if patient continue healthy food habits. That's what you ask about. What suggestion you advise to continue you after went home. So, like that, you should follow a correct diet, the food habits, and the lifestyle. Then only the effect will continue as the same on here.
After some of the treatments and therapies, we feel sleepy and we feel tired. What is the reason for that, doctor?
Uh, in fact, not only after the therapy, even during therapy, I sleep because today morning I was not sleeping. So Jagan was asking, "You're not sleeping today?" Every day I sleep, even during therapy.
That's quite normal. The body becomes deeply relaxed during these therapies, and the energy redirected towards healing and detoxification. Temporary sleepiness or tiredness can happen. It's quite natural.
Yeah.
You've given us a few therapies now. Are there any therapies that we can continue at home after?
Not always. Some people may only need dietary guidance, yoga, and some type of meditations. Others with chronic diseases conditions, they need the regular follow-up guidance.
I have another clarification. Why are medicated oils used in the treatment, doctor?
Yeah, it's a good question. Medicated oils contain herbal ingredients that nourishes the tissues, improve circulation, reduce pain, inflammation, relax muscles, and it helps to balance the body naturally. So, according to your body condition, we choose oils which that you require. So, medicated oils are used for your all treatments.
Like that, for both of you, we use the different kind of
Yeah.
medicated oils actually.
Because your both of your body structure uh,
Not only the structure, the nature of the body
yeah,
actually
it's different.
different. So that's why we use different
Different
types
kind
of
of oil.
oils
That's
and
all
the
medicated.
oils.
Uh, During this 7-day period, you said you'll be giving us a diet. Uh, should we consider continue this diet even after we go home? Because that time therapy is not going to be there. Only food is going to be there. So will that, in what way that's going to help us?
Actually, this is a good and most relevant question because you are continuing treatment for up to 7 days. After that, there is actually no need of external therapies. What you need is the dietary control. And for the conditions like chronic disease condition, some other external therapies we advise. Actually, for you, the diet should you follow like
Reducing the
oily
oily
foods.
foods, processed food, junk foods mainly, excess sugar, late night sleeping, scrolling mobiles.
That
You
you should
must
follow.
lifestyle.
Mhm.
Lifestyle should be corrected.
When I came, I mentioned that I have tennis elbow. After about third day, the tennis elbow has reduced significantly. Uh, will the effect of reduction in the pain continue even after 7 days, or should I keep doing something to ensure that the tennis elbow doesn't come back again?
If proper exercises, stretching, posture correction, and lifestyle advices are followed, the relief can continue for a long time. Avoiding repetitive strain is very important in your cases.
And also, what actually I advise you to do the stretching exercise for your upper limb. You should follow that regularly.
You very well know that I have reversed my diabetes, but still, if I'm going to have normal diet and without no exercise, my diabetes definitely is going to come back. So, with this treatment and with your diet, will that help in reducing my diabetes? And will you suggest any special diet for me after going back for me to continue?
This question actually we discussed in the beginning consultation section for your diabetes condition, as it is a control to one diabetes. So patients with the diabetes should maintain controlled food portion, avoid excess sugar, food, and also the fiber rich foods and vegetables, whole grain, regular walking and proper sleep you should follow regularly.
Doctor, for the medical conditions, like if somebody has a medical condition or a disease, so for which all medical conditions or diseases will these treatments and therapies help?
We commonly support patients with stress, sleep disorders, joint pain, arthritis, cervical back pain,
obesity, fatigue, digestive issues, migraine, and also the skin issues we support, and also the care for ladies like women's health. We actually follow that one, and general
rejuvenation
rejuvenation
type of
therapies.
detoxification, rejuvenation types, all things.
Like your condition, we also give support to the diabetes patients
Oh,
also,
yeah.
and also one more thing, the weight management.
Yeah.
We support on that.
After about 3 days of this therapy, I feel very light, and some of the t-shirts that I used to wear used to be pretty it will be little tight. Now it has become comfortable for me. I'm sure many of my old shirts are going to be useful now. Uh, uh, the other thing is uh, when the treatment after the treatment is done, I feel very light. Feel very light, and that effect continues for a long time, even late into the evening. And what else? You want to add something?
Yeah, I love the yoga session which is happening in the morning, because I am never into yoga. Actually, I do some gymming and I do some walking, and so my body is not that flexible. So when the yoga started, I can feel that my joints are becoming more flexible, and that minor pains which I had previously in my knees, I think it has vanished now, and I'm able to climb up the stairs and climb down the stairs very freely. So that is the thing which I noticed after all these treatments. Maybe treatment also helped in the along with the yoga, probably, but yoga I love.
Right.
And I wanted to add one more thing. That hair pack is absolutely fantastic. So please help me with the recipe of the hair pack also, so that I can continue when I go back home. Facial, yeah, the 7 day. I was first day I was seeing your skin and I was asking for the glass skin, and you suggested the face pack. And after the face pack, I feel like I want to touch my I keep touching my skin. It feels like baby skin actually. Yeah, it is very nice actually. Please help us with the recipe of the face pack also, so that we can go and continue to have a glass skin always.
In fact, on seeing her skin after 2 days, I also started the face pack, and it feels very good. Feels very like the skin feels a little tight, which may not be the same earlier. I feel it's very good. Please, like Anu asked, please help us with the recipe so that we continue to use that even after going home.
And while undergoing the steam bath, I can feel my pores opening. Maybe probably that is one of the reasons we feel light also after the therapy. Absolutely fantastic. So we have that steam facility in our apartment, but we never used it. So from now on, we thought we'll definitely go and use that sauna facility in our apartment.
At least once a week.
Yeah, at least once a week we should go and do it. So I think every therapy and every treatment which we are undergoing now has its own like benefits. So probably, and I think even after one single treatment, we are able to find some benefit through each of the treatments. That is what I feel. So, what is your feedback on that?
Uh, See, we always wanted to do something like this. Well, we used to read a lot of articles, see reels and shorts about people going for this kind of a therapy, but we never used to, we never had the time like what we have done, what we have now to experience this. When we actually went through, it feels so good that feel like I've been missing this for quite a long time. So from me and Anu, almost every day we speak. Next, when we should come here, come back to plan for this. We want to come back again. Not sure whether it will be possible with 7 days or whatever time, but we want to come back and experience this again.
I think you both enjoyed this session well.
Yeah, also we also enjoy that
Yeah.
very much.
Yeah. As a conclusion, these therapies are not just for the relaxation.
Yeah, it helps to improve your balance between the body, mind,
And supporting your natural healing and overall well-being.
yeah.
We had some doubts, and those things have been clarified. And it's only 3 days. We have few more days to go. There are more. If we have any more clarifications, we'll definitely get back to you.
Thank you so much for all your clarifications and replies, doctor.
Thank you,
Thank
thank you,
you.
thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for joining with us and having
We are also
time.
very happy.
Yeah.
Thank you.